everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to open RAR files on Windows. So normally if you try to open RAR files on Windows, it will not be opened. So in that case, what you have to do is download the WinRAR application. So for that, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar that you can see at the top, type in win-rar.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of WinRAR. Over here you'll be able to find the option for buy WinRAR, download WinRAR. If you want to buy the premium version, simply click on the option buy. Otherwise, simply click on the option download WinRAR. Once you do that, the extension will be downloaded. You can see over here I've already downloaded it. Once it has been downloaded, what you have to do is click on the open icon that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. What you have to do is select the destination folder. Simply click on the option browse. Now you'll be able to select the folder over here. Simply click on the folder of your choice. Now click on the option OK. Now after you do that, click on the install option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll have to set up the WinRAR. You'll be able to find the options like associate WinRAR with, interface, shell integration. Simply check on the boxes that you want to check on. After doing that, what you have to do is click on the OK option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, WinRAR will be successfully installed. Now once the WinRAR has been installed, what you have to do is simply go to the RAR file that you wanted to open. You will notice after installing the WinRAR, the RAR file will also change its logo to the logo of WinRAR. So what you have to do is simply right click on the RAR file that you want to open. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Simply click on the option open with WinRAR. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to open the file. You can also extract this if you want. For that, simply click on the option extract to. Now select the destination. Click on the option new folder. Now from here, you'll be able to select the destination. Click on the destination of your choice. Now click on the option OK. Now wait for a while and this file will be extracted to that particular folder. Let me just show you. You can see over here those files has been extracted into the folder that I selected. So like this, you'll be able to open RAR files on Windows. So that is how you open RAR files on Windows. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.